everybody, I am live today. I'm getting on here last minute just to show you how I am styling this wig right here. This is wig number, I believe the wig number is 805. It is a shortcut red wig that I cut some layers into. I thinned the back out here. Hopefully you guys can see this. I removed a few wefts down here. I removed some wefts here. I removed a weft here. I cut this down in a cute little style, and now I am adding some curls. So I'm just getting on for about 10 minutes to show you guys what I'm doing. Again, check out our website. All of our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com and magichaircompany.com only. You cannot find our wigs anywhere else. Hello, Unique Indian Hair. Hi, everybody. Thank you for watching. Don't mind my appearance. I'm just getting on here and I'm going to curl and finish styling this beautiful. And yes, she is front lace. So as you can see here, if we parted it, you could see through to the scalp and change that scalp in a couple of different places. Shop with us at Magic Hair Company if you want the best. Yes, we do custom color here in store, and we are your glueless premium wig maker. All right, let me get back to coloring this. We're currently open Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. We prefer that you make an appointment, but if you don't make an appointment, just come on by and we will gladly assist you. Okay, yeah, I definitely want to go to the spa.
Yeah, definitely.
Was it a naked spa?
Yeah.
I want to be naked at the spa. I think I got a hold on me.
Oh, they have a sauna too. That's what it was, the sauna.
There's a sauna, a salt room.
An ice room, an infrared room.
An ice room?
Yeah, it felt good too. Like after you get out of the infrared room, but it's really hot, you go to the sauna. I mean, you go to the ice room. It's just like a cool down.
I can't wait. I don't know about the ice room though. Sounds cold.
But when you leave the infrared room, you would want the ice room.
Yeah. So it's a salt room, an ice room, an infrared room. 3 rooms?
They have 5, but one of them is under construction.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess that one, it was like a ball room, and you like laid in these balls.
Ooh.
But that was like the best one. That's everybody's favorite. So that's why I was like, we'll have to go back for that one when they finish it. They said they're bringing in stuff from New York.
What kind of balls?
I don't know.
Like, it sounds like they're filled with germs. No?
No. It's separate. Like everybody gets in a separate one.
So it's not like an adult ball pit like at McDonald's.
No.
Huh. I mean, that could be fun too.
And then they make you shower every night.
Yeah, I want to get a nice massage. And you said they did like a milk and honey bath? Or did I make that up? I kind of want to go coin hunt. Call me?
Uh-huh.
Is she coming to spa day?
Huh?
Is she coming to the spa?
I'm gonna tell her when I leave here.
Whoop, almost hit myself in the face with the flat iron.
Does it have to be Monday? I dedicated Monday to report
Mm-mm.
paperwork. Did it take you all day?
Who's that, Aisha? Right, let's do a half day. Well, what time does traffic die down for?
I can leave at 12 and still get out here.
Oh.
Because the weekend is too crowded.
Yeah, especially now with everything
Right.
opening up.
Or we could go Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday works.
We'll just have to go early because I think my dad's having a dinner.
Early. Sunday's my one day to sleep in. Not that I can sleep in because church is at 10, so I wake up at 10.
But I'll have to leave the spot early because my dad's having, I'm gonna see what time my dad's having his dinner. Well, my stepmom, I'm supposed to surprise my dad.
Okay, what about next Monday? What about Tuesday?
I'm taking graduation pictures.
Wednesday?
I can't Wednesday through Friday.
Well, what about Tuesday after your pictures?
My pictures are at 4 in the afternoon, so I have to drive to San Bernardino.
Uh-uh.
Let's go next Tuesday. Is that better?
Works for me.
Next Tuesday.
You want to finish the wine?
I'm getting full. Maybe after. You want more wine?
No. This is wig number 825. Next
You'll be
Sunday?
ready to get up early.
Sure.
Well, no, it will be after church. How she said, so you can kind of see.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good. Cause my back has to go heal.
What's wrong with your back? Did it hurt?
It didn't hurt. It's just so I haven't had anybody, you know, like rubbing like.
Were you moaning during the massage?
No, I wasn't. Shoot, that remember the time I was in the nail shop and I told y'all that lady was giving my feet a massage?
Oh no!
I was like, what Jesus? It's been a while.
That's funny.
Ooh!
That's fine. Let me know if you guys have any questions. But this is wig number 825, and we custom colored her. We do have her in the natural color as well. She's available here in store at Magic Hair Company. She'll be online soon if she's not already. I'm probably gonna wrap up. Actually, I'll finish styling this. Should I finish right now or should I finish tomorrow? Yeah, I'll actually probably get back on tomorrow and finish styling. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, located here in Culver City, California, USA. We are your premium wig store. We do have a new shipment of kinky straight wigs in. We're getting these ready. We have about 8 of them. Lengths 14 through 20 available. So we'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. We are Magic Hair Company, where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. Bye.